subscribe. And guys, Jamaica was like so famous in Africa. Guys, if you remember, guys, 2021, 2022, 2023. No, let's say, guys, 2023, 2024. Guys, those are like fire like Jamaica, was like in Africa. Guys, almost like every YouTuber was talking about Jamaica, Jamaica. And guys, there's history behind that. Guys, there was not bad. They was talking about Jamaica, in Africa, in Kenya, or those other countries. So one day, guys, I just woke up, and guys, I was going to do a video. So guys, I was like, okay, what should I do today, so that I can share my people on YouTube? So guys, okay, so that's all. So guys, my mind come that they can do a video about Jamaica. What Kenyans think of Jamaica and Jamaicans. So guys, when I've done that video, when I posted, guys, the video got viral. 27K views. So guys, when I made that video, I told the guys, I keep on like doing Jamaica. Until many YouTubers from Kenya, from Uganda, from other countries, they'll say, okay, let's also talk about Jamaica. So guys, there are so many YouTubers who joined that group of talking about Jamaica. I can mention people like Dash Lifestyle, African Walk. There's so many. They're all talking about Jamaica, 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 Jamaica. Because of what, guys, there were two main reasons. First of all, some of them maybe they were making some money, while others were getting views and subscribers. And that's why, guys, many of them they joined that Jamaica like trendy videos, whereby they were only talking about Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Like all of their videos like Jamaica. But guys, the beginning of 2024, or like in the middle of 2024, one of these YouTubers who talk about Jamaica, they were trying to be like reactors. People like Dash Lifestyle, they tend to be like reactors. People like John Bisha, Gracie D, and so many other YouTubers, they tend to be reactors. So there were few who left there to speak about Jamaica. Me, who started the brand, and also some other guys. So this guy called like African Awake, or there's some other guy. I don't know. They were very small. There's a girl called Claudia. So guys, there were few who left there, because most of them they left that project of like talking about Jamaica. Most of them they left there because of what the first when I started this issue of Jamaica, they've joined. Like they're making videos about Jamaica, talking about Jamaica. Now that some of them they tend to be reactors, they stop talking about Jamaica. So guys, last time, guys, I was asking myself, like yesterday or like last time, 2026 is why there's nobody who's talking about Jamaica. Even this guy I saw last time, this guy called African Awake, his views are now declining because he's not making any views about Jamaica. Even the girl she was my friend, she's called Claudia Walkers, she's now stopped doing videos. Because many YouTubers who are famous about like doing Jamaica, they've now stopped. So guys, why? So guys, if you are from Jamaica, tell me, guys, you should watch some African content creators who are talking about Jamaica. If you know, guys, you can mention, guys, their channels, guys, in my comment below. But for me, guys, I can never let down Jamaica down because I love Jamaica. I want to still promote Jamaica. I also love like Trinidad and Tobago and other islands. And I still want to maintain, guys, my brand, guys, because my brand, guys, was always the same. I want to first show you guys Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Congo, Ghana, Nigeria, so many countries. What they think about Jamaica and the Caribbeans. So that when you see what they think about Jamaica, then I can come to Jamaica and the Caribbean, and guys, I want to see what Caribbeans think of Africa. That's guys my plan. So guys, when I start that, a lot of YouTubers they joined that, and then guys they left. So guys, now guys, if you go on TikTok or YouTube, guys, there are very few who are now talking about Jamaica. So guys, if your plan was like to make money or get some views, you have gone. But if you have like a real life or real love for Jamaica, you will not stop like me. If you love Jamaica, seriously, you cannot stop talking about Jamaica. Because Jamaica should be your country that you love. Jamaica is a land we all love. So guys, someone who was just looking for views and money, when you get that, you must stop talking about Jamaica. But someone who has a real love for Jamaica, someone who loves Jamaica, someone who loves Jamaicans, someone who want to go to Jamaica, someone who has that dream of going to Jamaica, man, not stop talking about Jamaica. Because guys, Jamaica is a land we all love. And guys, even guys, some African YouTubers who used to go to Jamaica, people like African Tigers, Dimango, they stop going there. Why? I don't know why. If you love Jamaica, why do you stop go there? Why do you stop going there? Now we have seen that Dimango, she's going there. African Tigers, she's going to Jamaica. Why? But 2024, 2023, Jamaica was trending. Like African YouTubers went there. Odamaya was there. Mr. Reed was there. African Tigers, Team Wango, like Sharon Arwa, so many content creators. But now that Africans who used to talk about Jamaica, they stopped. And the Africans who used to go to Jamaica as content creators, they're now also stopped. But guys, someone who loves Jamaica cannot stop going there. Someone who loves Jamaica cannot stop talking about Jamaica. Because guys, one loves Jamaica, me, some loves Jamaica. Me guys, I love Jamaica. I want to come to Jamaica. I want to visit guys every part of Jamaica, like every parish when I come to Jamaica. Whether you are from Montego Bay, whether you are from Spanish Town, whether you are from Ocho Rios, I want to come to guys your area, guys. Your parish, your city, or your whatever. Yeah. So guys, if you love Jamaica, comment below, guys. Peace and love Jamaica. Peace and love Jamaica. We love Jamaica. So guys, if many content creators now stop talking about Jamaica, for me, I will not stop, guys. Because guys, Jamaica is a land, guys, I love. So guys, if you have that love, if you have that feeling, if you have that dream, you will never stop talking about Jamaica. Guys, if your idea was all about like making money and views, you have not gone. But if you have a real life for Jamaica, you might stick that love until then. So guys, like the video, subscribe. Thanks so much, guys.